Hello dear students, today we are starting our mathematics journey. In this channel, you will get the video lectures of for secondary and senior secondary classes. You will get the solution of each and every problem which could come in your board exam along with its detailed explanation. The syllabus and curriculum I will be following is based on CBSE. And of course, our sole target is 100% marks in 2024-2025. So let's get started with some basic concepts of mathematics. Now you will be wondering why I have written A by A. What is A? It is anything. Then what must be the answer? It should be 1, right? It is 1, but if and only if A is not equals to 0. Because in mathematics, we don't argue with the term 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. They are nothing. They are not measurable. You can say undefined. Okay. Now come to the topic infinity. What is infinity? Infinity is basically something. ये एक चीज है. क्या है वो हमें नहीं पता, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा चीज है. It's bigger than natural number. It's unitless, or we can say undefined, and so on. There is no correct explanation for the term infinity. Now come to different types of numbers. First we will deal with prime number. What I have written? Prime numbers are natural numbers. It can't be any number, some negative integer, positive integer. No, it's a natural number greater than 1 with factor as 1 and number itself. Okay. Now take some example. If we consider, I have written it should be greater than 1. So if I will consider 2 and if we will break it as a prime factor, then what will be the prime factorization? 1 into 2. 1 is not prime nor composite. Then this particular number is having a factor 2 and 1. So it's a prime number. By definition, what we have written earlier, natural number greater than 1. 2 is a natural number greater than 1 having factor 1 and number itself. So 2 is a prime number. Next example we will take as 3. There also it will be 1 into 3. By definition it is a prime number. Then if we will take 4, it will be 2 into 1. So other than 1 there is a number 2 but not 4. We need 4 as a number, as a prime factor basically. So here 2 is coming as a prime factor for 4, so it is not prime number. If you will take 5, it will be 1 into 5. So by definition it is a prime number. This chart. What is this chart? In our class 10th and class 12th syllabus, the types of number we are coming to deal with are complex number. This is imaginary part of complex number, and this will be the whole real part. So the bigger picture is complex number. It has two parts. It has imaginary number and real number. The subsets of real number are rational number. If we will dig into the matter again, then there will be z, that is integer. Then there is w. Then there is n. N is natural number. This is natural number. This is whole number. This is integer. And that is rational number. Alright, now come to the topic coprime number. What I have written? Any pair. The examiner will ask the question based on coprime numbers and they will ask to compare. So we need a pair of numbers. Okay. Any pair of numbers that do not have any common factor other than 1. Now coming to the example, coprime numbers. If you will consider 5 and 7. Okay. And the prime factor are 1 into 5. Here it is 1 into 7. What is common? Only 1. By definition, this is a coprime number. Got it? If we will take another pair of number, let's take 2 into 3, 2 and 3. Then Prime factor are 1 into 2 and 1 into 3. What is common? 1 is common. So it is a coprime number. Got it? Numbers. What are even numbers? It's any number. Here there is nothing written as rational number, natural number or whole number. This is any number that can be exactly divisible by 2. That means if you will consider as 4, then it is divisible by 2, even number. And if you will consider the negative part of it, negative 4, it is also even. Because earlier, in case of prime numbers, what we have seen, natural numbers, that's why we haven't dealt with the negative numbers. So here is also natural number, here is also natural number. But here, in even number case, here it is written any number. So negative part also we can take. Another example, 8, it is even number. Negative 8, it is also even number. Got it? Same goes for odd numbers. Any number that cannot be divisible by 2. So minus 3 is also odd number. 3 is also odd number. Similarly, 5 is also odd number. Minus 5 also odd number. Alright. Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Here it is also written as natural number. Natural numbers having more than 2 factors. Okay. Now here we will also compare. Now compare. Let's take 12 and 15. Okay. Prime factorize it. It will be 3 into 2 into 2. And here 3 into 5 into 1 obviously. So what are the common? 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So they are composite number. Let's take another number. 15 and 20. 15, 3 into 5 into 1. 20, 5 into 2 into 2 into 1. 5 and 1, 5 and 1. So they are composite number. They are means we need to compare. Composite numbers are not like even numbers, means there will be only one number. We will have to compare between two numbers, like as we did in coprime numbers, right? Okay, let's come to the topic HCF. Basically, what is HCF? It's the highest common factor between given two numbers. The examiner will ask, find the HCF of, let's say, 12 and 15. Okay, what we need to do? We will just prime factorize it. 12, 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. 15, 3 into 5 into 1. What are common? 3, 3, 1, 1. So highest common factor will be 3 into 1. Just count the common factors, common numbers between the prime factor of two given numbers and multiply it. So 3 is the HCF. Now come to LCM. LCM is least common factor. I will give you a trick to find it. Students face difficulty in finding LCM. It won't be the case for you. Let's start. Let's take the example of 12 and 15 again. Find the LCM. Okay. As we know, we will prime factorize it. 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. In case of 15, it will be 3 into 5 into 1. Now, you just have to write the distinct numbers between 2. 3 and 3, distinct number. 5 is a distinct number. 2, here 2 times it is written, we will write 2 once. 1 only once. So we have to write. तो हमने क्या देखा? हमने दो नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टर किया. ओके, क्या आया? 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. यहाँ पे क्या आया? 3 into 5 into 1. Then what we have to do? हमें क्या करना होगा? हमें इन दोनों प्राइम फैक्टर्स जो आया दोनों केस में, इन दोनों मिला के जो डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स है उनको लिखना होगा. लिख लिया. अब देखो 3 लिखा. 3 का हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या होगा? यहाँ पे भी डिग्री 1 है, यहाँ पे भी डिग्री 1 है, तो यहाँ पे भी डिग्री 1 होगा. 5 का हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या है? 5 क्या यहाँ पे है? नहीं, सिर्फ यहाँ पे है. यहाँ पे उसका डिग्री क्या होगा? 1, तो यहाँ पे भी 1. इन केस ऑफ 2, here the degree of 2 will be 2 into 2, that is 2 square. So we will write here 2 square. 1, here it is also 1 is written once, here it is also written once. So it will be 1. So our LCM will be 3 into 5 into 4 into 1, that is 60. तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, मैं फिर से एक और बार समझा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. हम लोगों ने देखा 12 है 15 है, इन दोनों का LCM चाहिए. मैंने 12 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखा 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 विच इज 3 into 2 square into 1. यहाँ पे क्या देखा 3 into 5 into 1. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना होगा, इन दोनों प्राइम फैक्टर्स का जो सेट है, इन दोनों मिला के जो जो डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर है उनको फिर हम लिख लेंगे. लिख लिए 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. फिर 3 का हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या होगा इन दोनों में, 1 1 1 लिख लिए. 5 का क्या होगा 1 1 लिख लिए. 2 का क्या है, यहाँ पे 2 स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे 2 है ही नहीं तो 2 स्क्वायर होगा. फिर 1 1, तो 3 into 5 into 4 into 1, that is 60 is the LCM. Okay. Now come up to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. It is nothing but we can call it as prime factorization. जो हम लोग अभी तक कर रहे थे वही है, सिर्फ इसका एक नाम है, नाम दिया हुआ है. डेफिनेशन रट लो, अगर आया तो लिख लेना. क्या है, एवरी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, z is integer, every positive integer greater than 1 can be uniquely written as a product of primes. What we have did here, 3 is a prime number, 2 is also a prime number, 15, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So any number we are breaking it as a product of primes. यही यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो आगे चलते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है, रिलेशन बिटवीन HCF एंड LCM विथ नंबर्स. मान लो तुम्हें दिया हुआ है दो नंबर्स. फिर से वो एग्जांपल लेते हैं, ये थ्योरम है जो हमें चेक करना है. ठीक है, फिर से 12 एंड 15 लेते हैं. यहाँ पे एक ये है 12 B 15 है. ठीक है, तो थ्योरम क्या बोल रहा है, HCF ऑफ AB एंड LCM ऑफ AB. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा, A इंटू B. चेक कर लेते हैं. HCF ऑफ 12 एंड 15 क्या होगा, हमने क्या देखा, 12 का प्राइम फैक्टर होगा 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 1, 15 का 3 इंटू 5. HCF होगा, तो कॉमन क्या है 3, सो HCF हो गया 3. LCM ऑफ 12 एंड 15, 12 का प्राइम फैक्टर किया तो 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 1, 15 का किया तो 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 1. डिस्टिंक्ट वैल्यूज क्या है, डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स क्या है, 3, 2 और 5 और 1. 1 दोनों में कॉमन होगा, सो 1 को ले भी सकते नहीं भी ले सकते. 3 का हाईएस्ट फैक्टर क्या है, यहाँ पे भी 1, यहाँ पे भी 1, हाईएस्ट डिग्री तो 1 हो गया. 2 का हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या है, यहाँ पे 2 है तो 2 लिख लेते हैं. 5 का 1 है, 1 का 1 है, क्या आया 60. तो देखो तुम लोग, HCF आया 3, LCM आया 60, ये क्या है 180. अगर तुम दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 12 इंटू 15. प्रूव हो गया. Alright then, that's it for today's lecture. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. I will try to solve them in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring with maths. Thank you.